Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialu.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about Instagram's new sticker. It's called Challenge Sticker. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Alright, now let's jump into this. So here I am on my Instagram, and both Instagram and Facebook have been launching new features and new updates to help businesses during these times of crisis, which is really good. So let's go right into it. So I'm gonna go to my Instagram stories and I'll just kind of take a random picture, because first thing I want to show you how to find that sticker. So when you are on your stories, so take a picture or a video, and then you're gonna click on this sticker icon right here, and then we are gonna look for a new sticker called Challenge. Look at this. And basically you may have seen these on Instagram stories from your friends or different brands that you follow, but basically the idea is you can create a challenge and then nominate other people. So imagine if I am a restaurant owner, I can create a challenge about, you know, spicy sauce, eat the spicy sauce, and I can nominate some people. If I am at home, maybe I can take a picture of me, you know, working out or doing a plank, and then I can nominate my friends for that challenge. So, and if you look at the bottom, so first thing, if I type letter A right here, here are different challenge options. Art challenge is right here. Arrow challenge, ambience challenge. So there's so many, and then I'll go ahead when I type letter B. So it's gonna give me different challenges. So look at this, brush challenge, right? So obviously some of these are gonna be, you know, people will have a lot of fun with it, but some of these actually you can use for your business to create engagement. And for example, look at this. So there's a challenge called plank challenge. Look at that. And I believe there's another one called maybe push-up challenge. So plank and then push-up. So imagine if you are a local restaurant, not a restaurant, a gym, or maybe a fitness trainer, you can create some of these challenges and nominate your audience, and then, you know, guess what, you know, create more engagement with them. And then plank challenge, there's so many of these. So all you have to do is just kind of type the first letter right here in this area, and then look at all the search challenges or different suggested challenges. So if I type letter K, just being random, here are different challenges that Instagram is suggesting me. So let's do a quick I want to do a quick demo. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of my office setup today. So I'm just my messy desk, right? All right, so here's my messy desk or my messy computer in front of a window, and let's create a challenge. So I'm gonna go back to the challenge, and then I'm gonna just say, or maybe work from home challenge. All right, one other thing I'll mention is, so look at this. So if I try to make something up on my own, so for example, I wanted to say work from home challenge, and when I try to click away, see, here's a message from Instagram: creating new challenges isn't available yet. So maybe they will introduce that in the future, but for now we have to select something that's suggested. So let's go back, and I'm gonna do stay at home challenge. Look at that. So stay at home challenge, and let's nominate. So now I can start typing different usernames. So I'll type a couple of my friends. So there you go. There you go, that's good. And you can add as many, I believe the limit is 10 if I'm not mistaken. So now I have added these people to the challenges, so I'm like nominating them to take this challenge. The other thing I will do is also kind of add some description. So I'll kind of put this here, and then I'm gonna go back here and just say, share your work from home desk with me. Right, so I'm just kind of adding more description to the challenge right here, and there you go. All right, so now when you are happy and everything looks great, I am just gonna add this to my stories, and basically when people see this, they're able to, they can click on that challenge and they can participate, meaning they can take the picture of their work from home setup or stay at home setup and then share that. So I'm gonna go to a separate Instagram account, and let's go to my stories and let's see how that challenge looks like. So I'm gonna go find that story. So here is the challenge that I just posted. So when I click on this, so see how right here when I clicked on the challenge sticker, I'm able to see here how many, it seems like there are a lot of people using that challenge. 403K. Wow, that's a lot of people. I didn't know that. So if I wanted to try this challenge, I'll just click on this and then I can kind of create, maybe I'm gonna, this right here. There you go. So this is how when your audience, and especially when the people that you nominate, they will be able to see that and then they can participate. But in addition to them, people who are just watching your stories, they can also tap on the sticker icon and then participate in the different challenges. Now, the big question, obviously, how do you kind of use it to benefit your business? And I think I kind of hinted in the beginning. So think of, it's a way, to me, it's a way to create some engagement with your followers. So if you are, let's say, a fitness trainer, a local gym, you can create challenges like this and nominate people for plank challenges, a push challenge. And there's so many challenges. You just have to kind of go through all the letters and see like what's relevant to your audience. So it can create a lot of engagement with your audience, and once it's kind of like one person takes it, another person takes it, it can like kind of create the spiral effect and momentum and bring a lot of impressions and reach and engagement to your Instagram stories, and not just stories, to your Instagram account. So this is it, guy. I wanted to cover the Instagram's brand new challenge stickers. How do you use them and how do you nominate other people, and also what's the benefit for your business? If you have any questions, leave those questions in the comments below. And before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.